you were turned, weren't you?
I was a little bit too turned. Your fans love to give shots.
우리한테도 왜 안 줘? We wanted 3.
Can you imagine a drunken card concert?
I'm gonna be checking out Jung 3D. I heard a lot about it. I didn't hear it fully. I never seen the music video. I've heard that people are 50-50 with Jack Harlow's rap. The fact that he got Jack Harlow is kind of cool though. But Jungkook is in his fuckboy phase, and I'm not mad at it. I kind of like it. You know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes I like to look in the mirror and pretend I'm Jungkook, but obviously I'm not. Reality hits fast. It hits like boom. That got me sad. All right, let me look at Jack Harlow's rap in this, bro. All right, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. I don't know why I did that. Always get that shit, you know what I'm saying? Oh, these stairs. Damn, white on white on white? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Bro, you know how much germs are in these phones? Hey man, you better wash your ear. Anyways.
1, 2, 3. I can touch you through the phone. Or kiss you through the universe.
Okay.
In another time zone.
Wait, hold up. What'd you say? I can't touch you through the phone. Okay.
Or kiss you through the universe.
True.
In another time zone.
Where?
It's the only time I can reverse.
True.
But when there's 2 dimensions, there's only one I'm missing. And if you feel alone, you don't have to feel that no more.
What you trying to say? You trying to hit me up or something? Like you trying to take me on a date?
I just wanna see you
Ooh, I like his hair.
like that. So if you're ready,
Oh.
and if you let me,
Oh. They got the whole platform from Not Today?
so if you're ready,
This whole platform?
and if you let me,
We like that. It's like if you're ready and if you let me, we love that.
I wanna see it
What you trying to see?
in motion in 3D.
Why the hell do I look like a kid all grown up?
I wanna
First of all, what you trying to see in motion in 3D? Ass?
in motion in 3D.
That was me. That's my.
I'm sipping a soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school.
You always grab me, champagne confetti. I
Mmm.
wanna see it in motion
In 3D. Okay. Ooh, what are they stopping with? Do we know how? First of all, you shirtless with chains? You dangerous already.
3D. Body to body to body to body to body. You and me, baby, you know that we got it.
I like that. You know, he said body like 7 times. Body to body to body to body to body. Better rap.
The body, the body, the body, the body. You and me, baby, you know that we got it. So don't go getting me started. You know I get hot-hearted. Baby, oh baby, oh baby, you make go
Wait, what?
getting me
Started.
You know I get hot-hearted.
Woo.
Baby, oh baby, you're making me crazy.
That was fire.
You can't forget it. You give me brand new emotion. You got me drinking that potion. I just wanna see you like that. See you like
Hey man, he in his Justin Timberlake, Senorita, I feel it for you kind of type of shit.
you got me
Nah, but this shit go hard. This shit go hard.
see you like that.
You know how hard it was for me not to even check this out fully.
If you're ready, if you let me, if you let me.
Okay. What you trying to see? What, my ass? I mean, what? I mean, their ass? Hey, twerk it out, twerk it out. Ooh. See it in motion in 3D. Oh, where's Jack Harlow, though? How do you like it, Jungkook? How do you like it? We would like to know. You like that shit bouncing? You like that shit swaying? Like that body rolling? Like a bop, bop, bop type of motion? I don't know, but it's in 3D, as long as it's in 3D. But he's right, it's better in 3D. Okay, this man in his bag though. How I like it, how we like it.
I'm on my Jung Kook, take a chick off one look, and when they get took, they don't never get untook.
He came out of nowhere. What the hell?
I'm on my Jung Kook.
I'm on my Jungkook.
Take a chick off one look, and when they get took, they don't never get untook.
Damn, you saying that Jungkook could Steal anybody? True.
When I seen that body, you would think it was a dead body.
Excuse me? When I see that body, you would think it was a dead body? Wait, what? Wait, we need to decipher this.
The way I told my boys come look, I used to take girls up the Stony Brook and steal their hearts like some crook. True story.
Okay.
Now when I hold somebody's hand, it's a new story. All my ABGs get cute for me. I held
Yo. Why? Oh, lie. He's gonna get a bunch of AVGs in his DMs, bro. Hey, Barry3, thank you for subscribing, yo. Hype it up in the chat. Hey.
one girl, too boring. Two girls, that was cool for me. Three girls, damn, dude's horny. Four girls, okay, now you whoring. I'm loose. I done put these songs to good use. I done put my city on my back.
This man just literally admitting to being a whore. Guys can be whores too. Real talk.
In the world, know my name, I'm the truth.
So if you're ready, and if
Alright, it was alright. It was alright.
I wanna see it
In motion, in 3D. Oh, he gonna get wet? You get wet? Oh man, he in his fuckboy phase. Let him be. I'm loving it. Let's live it. Live it up, Jungkook. Live it up, Jungkook. Live it up, Jungkook. Hey, get that girl. Someone twerk on Jungkook real quick. Somebody better wind down on him, bro. That man is asking for something. He asking for some ass? Or he asking for something else, you know. I can't think it. He's asking for something else, but I can't really think about it from the top of my head. Sorry, I'm just looking at his wet clothes attached to his chesticles.
I got you playing with yourself on camera. You my babe just like Tampa. Speaking of bucks, I got those, and that's
Oh, okay.
for fucks, well, not those. And that's for thoughts, what do you really want to know? I thought so. I fly you from Korea to Kentucky.
Okay.
You gotta guarantee me nothing. I just want to see if I get lucky. I just want to meet you in the physical and see if you would touch me.
Is that it? What the f? It's not, no, like, exactly. It's not the worst I've heard. I'm not a rapper. I don't have like a profession to like judge someone's like rapping skills or what. I mean, I guess they gave him narrative, but he went all through it. But Jungkook killed that shit too. You know, it'd be kind of crazy if Jack Harlow actually did a choreo as well. But you know, sometimes rapper shit, you know what I'm saying? When they get took, they never get untook.
When I seen that body, you would think it was a dead body.
What does that mean? When I see that body, you would think it was a dead body? Ah, when I seen that body, you would think it was a dead body. Like the reaction, like, I mean, yo, there are some asses in this world and bodies that I'd be like, you just got it. Me and Hedgen both, we'd be like, God damn.
The way I told my boys come look, I used to take girls
Ah.
up to Stony Brook and steal their
Ah, bet you think it's a dead body. The way my boy like to come look like, yo, look, damn, that ass is moving in 3D. Is Jungkook's part, but like when it got wet. Pause. But I love a good wet scene. Pause. Look at him. The dancers be wet too, just vibing out. Emotion in 3D. Woo. The little. That shit is so. I mess with that. I don't know why I mess with that. Wait. You know what? I'm trying to green screen myself, and this is the first time I'm really watching the whole music video. The little. Okay.
Body to body to
Body.
You and me, baby, you know that we got it. So don't go getting me started.
Hey, let's go, dancers. The female dancer's fire.
Baby, oh baby, oh baby, you're
Making me crazy.
rain.
You can't fake it. Damn. Rain. You can't fake it. Damn. He said he good with that shit? Damn.
You give me brand new emotion. You got me drinking that
Potion.
Just wanna see you like that.
So if you're ready,
If you're ready,
if you let me,
if you're like, I
I
wanna
wanna see it in motion in 3D. Actually, I'm very curious about this album too. What do you know? Is there an official date when this album's coming out? Woo! See it in motion in 3D. Like a girl. Bro, you should have came this out when I was in my fuckboy days, bro. I still like this even when I'm not. November 3rd. Oh shit. I can't wait. What is champagne confetti? Like, champagne confetti could also be like, is this, I don't know. So like you know when you like win an NBA championship, they have champagne and they just pop it and it just wets everybody. So just would you think what you think? I don't want to explain it. There's confetti. It's like a pressure. Well, I shouldn't be doing that. I shouldn't even be doing that motion.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.